Well, here it is. The new motorcycle. This is a 2014 Ninja 300. And I picked this up super dirt cheap off a guy I sold my wave runners to. So I plan on riding it for a bit, doing some mods to it, and I'll probably sell it off maybe next summer. But for now I'm going to have a little fun. I've been riding it around a little bit, and well, it's a Ninja 300, so it's not very fast at all. But it's kind of fun to ride around. It's easy to toss around, and I already did a mod to it. So I removed this cover here, and behind this cover I drilled out some holes to give it a little bit more sound. I think I might drill a couple more here to get even more out of it. Still not throaty enough. I'd like to get a little more throaty sound out of it. Alright guys, so just so you can see what I did to modify the exhaust, if we take this cover off, you'll see I actually drilled holes all the way around the outside here, and then I just added some holes on the inside here as well. And it definitely gives it a little more growl, especially with these two here as well as the ones around the outside. It gives a nice pop once in a while if you leave the cover off, but I'm going to put the cover back on, which does muffle it a little bit, but you still get a little more sound out of it until I get the new pipe here. This is what I'm going to do, so stay tuned for the new pipe.